The Chester Bridge is a cable-stay bridge across the Mississippi. We really needed a new bridge here, and we really needed to tie these two communities together because the farmlands over here on the Missouri side, they supply a lot of the stuff that's happening over on the Chester side, and vice versa. And there's not another crossing for miles. We really needed to have a good bridge that's going to last for a long time. It has two 880-foot spans crossing over the Mississippi River, and we get to deal with barge traffic, rising and falling water levels. The towers themselves are 250 feet tall, and just constructing that and moving those things up is a challenge in and of themselves. With the wind and the weather and all the other challenges that we have, it's a neat job to be part of. As the quality management team, we touch everything. We are accepting all of the work on behalf of Missouri DOT. So everything that's happening, we're inspecting, testing, making sure that the paperwork is straight and square. All of the concrete work that's been going on, the tons and tons of rebar, the cable stays, which is a unique process in themselves, watching to make sure that we're balancing the spans as we build out from the towers, and even the grading. We're standing on a 30-foot piece of ground that wasn't here a year ago.
Out here on the Chester Bridge project, there's always something going on. There's a lot of moving parts to this. We have multiple people that take ownership of certain areas.
As a team, we know that we have to help each other out. We communicate with each other and make sure that everybody has what they need to get their job done correctly and in time for the concrete.
They're communicating to the foremans out there in real time as well, and they're making that adjustments and they're seeing that real time, and they're taking pictures and documenting it right on our phone so that we can submit it, and then it gets to the client that much faster and they know what's going on in real time.
Our team hold quality at a very high standard. We want to deliver expeditiously but accurate and give a good resolve to your client so that you don't delay, you don't cause frustrations. You want to give great deliverables in the process. So you want to be able to have the tools to be able to resolve those things quickly so that you don't have a hindrance in the project. The cable stay system is really sturdy. We're in a seismic zone, so it's built to withstand earthquakes, tremors, and all those things. So the science that we have behind this and the technicality behind it is great, so townspeople could be very confident that they'll have a great product after we finish.
I know the locals are excited about this bridge, and they cannot wait to see new concrete, good concrete, solid concrete, just a better bridge to drive on.